Have you ever wondered if you could take a picture of what's happening on your screen, but without using a camera or your phone? This is called a screenshot, and I'll show you how to use Windows' free screenshot tool, which is called the Snipping Tool, today on Tuesday Tech Training. Hello, and welcome to Tuesday Tech Training. My name is Jennifer Stewart. I'm the owner of Gateway Productivity, and I'm a tech and productivity trainer. Today, I want to show you how to use the Windows Snipping Tool. This is the one in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So what is the Snipping Tool? This is a tool that is automatically built into your Windows, and it allows you to take a screenshot of what's going on your computer. Many of you may be familiar with taking a screenshot on your phone. It's the same idea. With the snipping tool, you can take a screenshot of a portion of the screen or the entire screen. Or if you have multiple screens, you can have a screenshot of everything. I've heard a lot of people ask if the snipping tool is truly free, and it is. This is a Windows product, and it comes automatically on your Windows computer. Let's go through a brief demonstration so you can see what this looks like. If you're not sure how to get to your snipping tool or what it looks like, you can always go to the search on your taskbar. Now, my taskbar is hidden, so it'll come back when I hover over it. You may have a larger search bar here, so it might show as a big white bar, and you can tap in there. I have mine as the smaller search bar, and we'll put in here snipping tool is what it's called. And so this is what it looks like. This is the icon. If you would like to have it on your taskbar, you think this is something you'll use a lot, you can right-click on it, and you can, I have mine pinned to the taskbar. That's why it says unpin, but you can pin yours to the taskbar here. We'll go ahead and open this up. It will start as this smaller size, and you can always resize by grabbing the corner if you'd like it a little bigger. Our options here are to do a picture, a video. If I do this drop down, I can choose what mode I want. So a rectangle mode is when I'm going to draw a square or rectangle around what I want. If I want just the window that's active, that's the window mode. The full screen mode is going to be everything on your screens. And the freeform mode is if you want to kind of draw a weird shape around whatever it is that you want to take the screenshot of. And then the next option is your timing. So you can delay your snip, as they call it. And this is if you needed to highlight a menu or something like that, and the menu's not up right away, you obviously have to go click on it. So you could have, say, a 5-second delay, go click on the menu, and then the snip would start, and it would show the menu in that snip. Lastly, if you already have a snip that you want to bring back in here, you can always open a file. And I recommend just going into your settings to see what's there and see if there's anything you'd like to turn on or off, such as automatically saving screenshots, whether you want that to happen or not. The shortcut to do a snip is the Windows logo key plus Shift plus S, and that will start a snip automatically. We'll do a few examples of the different types of snips. First, we'll do just the default of a rectangular snip. So if I click on New, then it will give me this little item up at the top, and that allows us to do a snip. And I can draw a rectangle over what I want. And then if I go back to my snipping tool, which is flashing here, it now has the picture in there that I took a snip of. You can see now that I have a snip, I have some options at the bottom for editing as well. So I can make marks, I can erase different parts, I can crop it if I didn't make it quite the size that I wanted. And then there's a few other options as well. Are you learning something new from this video and you'd like to see more videos? If so, you can subscribe by clicking the subscribe button that's below this video. Once you do that, you'll see a bell icon. If you click on that, then you will receive notifications each time a new video is posted. If I want to save this snip on my computer, I will go up here. You can see these appeared as well once I took the snip. I can zoom in on it. I can save it. I can copy it if I need to paste it, say, into a PowerPoint or something like that. And then I can also share it. So if I want to save this, then it'll go just like saving any other file or document on your computer. You can choose where to put that. Now let's quickly look at a delayed snip. If I have a situation where I need to take a snip of a menu that I need to click on, say the color options here in my Excel document, I would need to do a delayed snip because obviously the only time that that menu shows is when I click on it. So I need to be able to click on it during the snip. So what I would do here is I would delay my snip. I'm going to choose the 5-second delay. And then once I click new, it'll give me 5 seconds to do what I need to do, and then it will give me the snip menu. So I'll click new, go to Excel, do my menu, and my snip menu is right here now. And again, at this moment, I can choose if I want to do the rectangle, if I want to do a freeform, full screen, and so on, those other options that we've seen. I'll do the rectangular again this time because I just want a little snip of this menu. And now if I go to my snipping tool, now I can see the snip that I did. The snipping tool will remember the last delay that you kept. So if you don't want that anymore, you'll need to remember to change it. This time we'll try doing a freeform. So let's set it to no delay, and I'll get out of Excel. And I would like to do a freeform snip of my background. So this time I can either choose the freeform here, or I can choose it once I click new. I'll choose it here now, click new, and now I can do my freeform around the tree, and you can see I can do it wobbly, I can do it all kinds of crazy. And then when it's done, here's what I came out with. Now we'll test out the video snip, which is a neat tool that's available inside the snipping tool. I'll switch it over to video here. I'll click new. It asks you to draw a shape around the area that you would like the video to show. So we'll make a nice big area for ours. And then you can start your snip, and any movement inside of that box is what's going to be snipped. So I'm just moving my mouse around, and then we'll stop that video. Now you can see I have a snipped video. If I play that, it'll show my mouse movement in that area. So if you have something on your screen, you'd like to take a snip of a video, you'd like to be showing something that you're doing on your screen, then you can do that with your snipping tool as well. I hope you have fun with this new tool. The snipping tool can be very helpful for creating presentations, creating instructions, and lots of other scenarios. If you still feel like you need help with this or any other tech challenge, you can schedule a tech stress breakthrough call with me. You can do that by clicking the heart in the monitor that's above me now, or you can go to my website, which is gatewayproductivity.com, and click on the Let's Talk button. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.